Hello and welcome to the section 6 of the course Preventing Insider Threats, Detection and Handling. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we will learn about insider threats and then how you can prevent these insider threats inside your organization. So let's start with the video workflow of insider threats. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about the basics of insider attack and then the workflow of insider attack. So let's talk about insider attack here. So insider attack is launched by insider users of organization. So if I am an employee of the organization, so I can launch this attack from inside. These are the examples. Basically, for example, if network admins are providing sensitive information to the competitor of the company, or HR or business partners are leaking the data. So these are the examples of the users. If I talk about the process is very simple. So this is on the left hand side, you can see the organization. We have different users, right? And you can see here that few of them are trying to perform insider threat and they are sending the sensitive information of the organization to the competitor of the organization, right? So it can be launched from inside. If I talk about the workflow of insider threat, that how I'm going to perform insider threat in organization, how I'm going to start. So these are the steps of insider attack. First, understand, gain access, malware installation, gather information, and damage. So let's talk about understand. So first of all, attacker will try to understand the process of the organization. Attacker will try to understand the business of the organization. This is the first process. Second process is basically gain access. Somehow attacker will get the credentials. For example, attacker can make friends inside organization and attacker can ask the credentials. So now he has the credential of the systems and the servers, and now he can gain access inside your systems. After the successful access inside systems or servers, attacker can install tools or softwares, and attacker can also install malwares inside your servers. Malwares like virus, trojans, rootkit, etc. So attacker can install these softwares inside your server. After the successful installation, attacker can gather information from your systems, and attacker can send this information from your system to attacker system. So attacker can send these sensitive information. And finally, after getting all the information, attacker can also damage your network. For example, attacker can launch denial of service attack or DOS attack inside your network to damage your systems, to damage your process, right? Attacker can install more malwares inside your network, right? So this is the overall process of insider attack.